we need to understand how to use the inverse operation to check our answers to division and multiplication questions. So we can divide 8,880 by 6. That gives us 1,480. But how could we check that we have the right answer? We could do 1,480 times 6, so multiply our quotient by our divisor. And now, because we can see that our answer to the multiplication is the same as the dividend in our question, we can be sure that we have the right answer. So we can multiply 346 by 5. That gives us 1,730. But how can we check that we have the right answer? We can do 1,730 divided by 5. And because our answer to the division is the same as the first number in our multiplication, we can be sure that we have the right answer. So pause the video, see if you can answer this division, and then check that you have the right answer using multiplication. So we can divide 6,237 by 7. That gives us 891. So now, to check, we can multiply 891 by 7. And because the answer to our multiplication is the same as our divisor, we know that we've answered correctly. Now, pause the video, answer this multiplication, and check that you have the right answer using division. So let's multiply 586 by 7. We get 4,102. Now we can check by using the inverse operation by dividing 4,102 by 7 and making sure that we get 586. If we don't, we know that either our multiplication is wrong or our division is wrong. But we're back at the number we started with, so we know that we've answered correctly.